Hey everyone, welcome to a new video here at Sublime Traders. I'm Logical Orange, and in this video we are going to take a look at the catalyst that we have been waiting for in order to make the Bitcoin price move. PayPal is now accepting cryptocurrency payments, and this news is huge. The Bitcoin price has increased to 13K, and now let's see where it might go. Let's go to the charts.
We gon' make sure you never miss a trade again. Watch how you get paid over and over again. Account management. Be careful how
So yesterday news that PayPal now allows Bitcoin and cryptocurrency payments was the catalyst that Bitcoin needed in order to move. It is huge because PayPal has a lot of clients and a lot of yearly transactions, and basically it transforms cryptocurrency in a certain manner from a niche payment method to mass adoption. This was a big catalyst that we wanted for cryptocurrency in general. So the mass adoption is closing in on us, and this means that cryptocurrency in general will be heavily adopted even by people that didn't want to use it before. It will be so easy to hold cryptocurrency right now by using the PayPal's wallet, which is very secure, and paying with it will also be very easy. So let's see right now what this means for Bitcoin, and how can we expect the price to move in the following days. So I'm looking at the daily right here, and yesterday news dropped exactly when we were about this level, so $11,700, and the only thing that is not very clear for me is why did it drop exactly then? Was it planned? Was it planned so that the market will go up and there will be some high sellers just preparing some big sells around this level? I don't know. For now it is not clear, but from a technical standpoint we are in a solid bullish move right now. We are undecided on the last daily candle, so today we have rejected on the last resistance, which is at $13,100, which correlates with this level right here. So this is a lower low from July 2019 that we had, and in order to go on we need to break this level right here at around $14,000 is the level that will make or break the bullish trend that we are in right now. So if we pass through this level, we can go all the way up to 20K. My idea is that it will try to touch this level. I think there might be some shorts along the way that can appear out of nowhere. So for now I'm still bullish, but this area is to be watched. So I want to show you the hourly chart because it's more pertinent in regards to what's happening right now. As you can see, we have had yesterday night we have had the highest high at $13,217, and since then we have retraced about 4% in what looks to be a head and shoulders pattern. It's not very clear now, it is not well formed. It looks like a head and shoulders, and it can be confirmed if we retouch this neckline right here at around the 12.6K. If we retouch it, it can look like a head and shoulders. Apparently it doesn't want to touch it right now, and we might break up to the resistance that we have formed yesterday, which is at 13K, 13.2K. If we break this, the next stop is directly the 14K target. So on the upside we have the possibility to go up to here And if we go to the downside, if you break this neckline right here, our next stop would be this small accumulation area right here. So this would be the area we would stop in. These are the two possible targets right now. With the bullish events that happened yesterday, I am more biased towards a bullish outcome of this chart. So let's imagine the trades possible in this setup. So for the long side, I would wait for this resistance to break, and I would post a trade with a take profit at around this area and the stop loss just below it, so we can cover some possible weeks. And on the downside, if we break through this neckline, I would start my short position at about this area with a stop loss around here at 12.78k and the take profit right here. Basically two possibilities. For either way the market goes, we can be covered and we can trade. So upside, we stop at 14k because really we don't know what happens there. There are a lot of orders posted there, sell orders. And on the downside, our first stop would be this small accumulation area. So you might say, yeah, it can go up, it can go down, it's not very clear, what are you doing? So thing is, I presented you with two options. If it goes up, you can enter at the levels I indicated. If it goes down, I have given you a target and a stop loss. This is normally more than enough to help you make your decisions. So basically, don't forget that high levels as this one have been rejection levels historically, and we have rejected a lot the last time we have been at this level. So we have rejected more than 40%. So basically you need to be really careful when entering this type of trades right now. Don't go too much into your position, don't be greedy. And the main thing is to wait for the breakouts. And when you have confirmation, you can enter the trades. And don't forget also that we have elections coming. We have the virus spreading all over the world. We have good news, we have bad news. We don't really have a very clear news-driven direction right now. So base your trades on clear levels that we have identified together, and you should be able to post entries according to that. So guys, this is all for today. Thank you for watching. This is Logical Orange for Sublime Traders. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to know more about Sublime Traders, join us on our Telegram group. We have a lot of trading information for new and experienced traders. Thank you and happy trading.